Hello everyone. This video is regarding Rule 154 of the General Financial Rule GFR 2017, which is related to the procurement of goods without inviting bids or quotation. You can make direct procurement on a single quotation basis. So let us see what is provisioned in this rule. As I said, it is related to the direct purchase. No bid invitation is there. Only by obtaining single quotation you can make purchase directly with that particular supplier. When the item is not available on the GEM portal, the government e-market portal, only in this situation this rule is activated. And what can be the basis of non-availability on GEM portal? There are 3 points. One is delivery period, other is quality, and next is specifications. Based upon these three parameters, if the items is not available on GEM portal, then only you can do direct purchase under this rule. This is a mandatory condition. So keep this in your mind. The value is rupees up to 50,000 on each occasion. So the goods up to the rupees 50,000 can be purchased in direct purchase mode under this rule. There are certain exemptions available to scientific department in India. In those provisions, what is provision that the scientific equipment and consumables for research purpose up to rupees 2 lakh can be used to make procurement in direct purchase mode. If there is any other item except this scientific equipment and consumable for research purpose, in those cases the limit is rupees 1 lakh. So this 2 lakh rupees enhanced limit is only in case when the item under procurement is scientific equipment and consumable for research purpose. For other purpose, this 2 lakh limit is not available. And what are the department for which this limit is available? You can see that DBT, DST, DSIR, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, Ministry of Earth Science, DRDO, ICAR, ICMR, Health Educational Institutes, which are involved in research activities. So only for these institutes this enhanced limit of direct purchase is applicable. While making the purchase under these rules, the user has to submit a certificate wherein he certifies that he is personally satisfied that the goods purchased are of a requisite quality and specification and have been purchased from a reliable supplier at a reasonable price. These are the requirements to make rules under these provisions. So when anybody is going to make procurement under GFR Rule 154, kindly keep this in mind and do your procurement.